Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while, hasn't it?
It certainly has been a while. Yeah, it's summertime, so for us working individuals, we had to take a little time off, spend some time with the families, all that stuff. So we are, I don't know how much longer it's going to be hot. Maybe it feels like today it's going to be hot for about another 6 months. So until then, be patient with us. During the winter time, we plan on coming back, making some more videos, content. I know we got to finish up on a couple projects for the channel. But until then, we have something different today and interesting, isn't it?
That's right. Yeah, Warson hit us up again, didn't they?
Yeah. Again. And what do we have?
It's an adjustable ladder rack.
Yeah.
So it's called a ladder rack, but we're gonna put it in the back of the Toyota, and the main use for me is gonna be kayaks.
Yeah. This is a 4-door with a micro bed on it.
Yep.
So his kayak sticks out 50 feet. So hopefully by the product that they have sent, we'll do an unboxing, quality, installation, and then we'll show you the after effects of what the kayak looks like, not hanging over 6 feet out the back of the truck. So
Watch us work.
All right, we want to give you a little walk around what we got. Right here, we got a quality kayak sticking out about 6 feet of this baby bed.
you need a measuring
So if you'd
tape.
bought a real truck like mine.
The same exact thing.
But yeah, so that's why we got this. Hopefully this ladder rack won't be too bulky. He can still use his bed, and I think this is like a bolt-on thing, so there's no drilling required, I think.
Yeah.
We're going to look at it and see. I'm also going to put you a link in the description. If you want one, you can pick one up on Amazon.
Yeah.
So we're going to get it unboxed and see what we got.
What do you think you bolt it with, Logan? Is it C-clamps, vice grip?
You know it's gonna be some Allen heads.
Yeah, I guarantee it. Yeah, guaranteed Allen heads. All right, show them what you have. Now,
Safety third.
the good news about this, it's not an inflatable, so you can cut probably as deep as you want
That's
to
right.
in that box. So just
Logan, don't care.
And cut towards yourself always. So you can slice your throat.
Always.
Cut towards your body, not your buddy.
Yeah, so right at your throat again.
Looks like we got some help out here today.
Yeah, we got a buddy out
That's
there.
Daisy.
Miss Daisy, I don't think she's tolerating with the fur coat on, but she is.
Thanks for the help, Daisy.
Well boxed so far.
Well boxed.
What do we have here? What is that?
That's the instructions.
Is that a manual?
Yeah, we don't need it.
Well packed.
Hey, good news.
Yeah.
Allen heads.
Holy mackerel.
And about 1,000 of them. So.
10,000 bolts. All right.
We'll get this unpacked and get back to you in a minute.
Yeah.
Hey, what are we doing? We already started.
Yeah, we're taking off our railing system here for clamps.
Something else
And
underneath it.
That's the truck bed cover,
yeah.
because it's got these pockets. Sticks out a little further.
That's just plastic, isn't it? This?
No, this is the bed rail cover, or the bed rail.
Yeah, but even that.
We're gonna see if that'll slides up under it. I don't think that it will it?
No, you ain't gonna move that.
Not compatible with Tacoma.
It's looking that way.
Where's the Ford?
It's at the house. I can go get it.
Yeah. It's not gonna work with the liner.
That's a bummer.
It's a bummer. That is a bummer.
Not compatible with these US bed covers in a Tacoma.
Not these micro trucks. This is for a real man's truck.
Yeah, that's all I know is to find another truck. So we know anybody that's got one.
We'll put it on the van. Yeah, I don't think it's going to work on this application, unfortunately.
So what we may do is me and Logan will be assembling this thing.
Yeah.
If you want to go get the Ford?
Yeah, I think that's the best bet, honestly. I don't know. I mean, I would assume it's adjustable when you get it on. It looked like it by the picture. And
Yeah, we'll try to leave everything loose. Yeah,
So we can move it
this
around.
is it. So maybe one of the things, you know, we don't typically use instructions anyways, but with some of this stuff, it would be nice, maybe a little bit more detail, but I think we'll figure it out.
All right, we're going to give them all the detail they want.
Yeah, we're going to figure it out. So they're going to put it together. I'll go get the real truck if it makes it here. It might fall apart before I make it back, but maybe they'll have it together and we can set it up on there and see what it looks like. But I can haul kayak in mine though, so
That's true.
I guess I have to put an extension lighter on it.
You can have Logan's kayak after this.
Yeah, great.
He can't haul in this thing.
Yeah, I'll be back. Yeah.
All right. Well, Justin's going to get his truck, if you want to call it that. We're going to try to see what it takes to assemble this thing. Mostly what we got to go by is that photo. So we're going to try to get it assembled, leave everything kind of loose so we can adjust it when we get it on this truck. We're going to stay in the house, the cab of the truck.
Oh, now that we got the real truck here.
That's right. It made it. Mind the rust in the bed.
All right, show them how this little clamp works. So non-drill, right?
Apparently.
Yeah. So I think it just goes up underneath the bed, tighten this down, and it grabs a hold. Now we couldn't do that because ours is kind of flush here on the Tacoma.
That's right. Yeah.
So this should work out much better.
She's made for a Ford 2003, I think. No, I don't know. What year is this thing?
I have no idea. It's not mine.
This is your vehicle.
2003 F-150 Heritage.
Heritage.
But I mean, I'm sure it works on a lot of other trucks, but at least we know that we have a 2005 to 13 Tacoma. I think they all have that bed liner in them, at least in the U.S. So
It'll work on this one. We'll see what it looks like at least.
Yep. All right, and then while Justin was going to get the truck, me and Casey kind of loosely put together the rack itself. It was super simple, wasn't it?
yeah, it was very simple.
Yeah.
I mean, you get that big bag of screws, it's a little bit discouraging, but it goes together really easy.
Mhm.
You can see we got, I think it's like 4 bolts on each
Arm.
post,
Yeah.
I guess, to hold this together. So this is the bottom piece. This is your crossbar to go front to back.
Yep.
And this is, everything's adjustable. So we just took a guess while he was gone, but we may have to go back and change up some of this. But I think we have it at its tallest height that we could get, or we could put it on.
Yeah.
I don't know that for sure, but we'll see. We'll
Yep.
put it up there and see what it looks like.
All right, so clamps on first, right? Or you want to set it up on there first?
Yeah, I think we set it up on there and then figure out where to put the clamps.
Okay.
What's my low hop?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, we guessed about right, didn't we?
We guessed really close.
Yeah, so we may have to adjust a little bit on the top to get your side to flatten out. But we can still slide it, so.
How about
Yeah.
that?
Hey, there we go. Good thing we left it loosely put together.
Look at that.
Good job.
Bueno.
That should work perfect. So we'll maybe get some clamps on that one
Uh-huh.
and see how that goes.
Yep, let's do it. That will fit right there.
Yeah, it's about to go right there.
Uh-huh.
You tell me when.
Are you just putting it as far front as it'll go?
Yeah, I did. Is that the right height?
I'll put mine on up.
Do another one back here.
Well,
Go ahead and put a bolt to it.
that's what I was thinking.
Okay.
I dropped it.
We want to bolt the first one in.
No, I think you leave it loose.
So we get, where's the?
Justin, this will help you out with all them ladders you haul around.
Yeah, I might stick a piece of plywood up here or something. Keeping out the rust down there.
So every bolt that we've done have been bolt, washer, flat washer, spring washer, and a nut on all this.
You bend that back out a little bit.
Yeah. You gonna tie that down?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go for the gusto. Do we have a? You probably don't need a thumb wrench, though, do you?
I can get you a wrench.
I'll need one.
It might.
Let me get you
it
one.
might pull it in there if that box. We're professional.
You get it tight?
There's this.
No, we let it move.
Oh, you already know the length, huh?
Extra long.
I think it's just gonna be the longest one.
Okay. Hi, Justin. We got that sucker on. How's it look?
It looks really good. Overall, it's got a really good look to it. The quality is really good. The texture coating on it, it looks like they've done that well too. So overall, good install. And you can see, following me. I mean, that's not going anywhere, and it's not technically bolted.
Yeah, we didn't have
anywhere
to
on
drill
the
any
truck.
holes. Yeah.
No holes drilled on it. So if this thing, if you need to, quickly remove it, all you got to do is take these loose, and it's off.
Yeah, those 4 or 8 bolts.
Yeah, 8 Allen heads.
Yeah, just have to loosen them too. So, and then
Yeah.
it should come off there.
Yeah, I think so. You probably have to take the whole portion of it off to get them to slide out, because you can't pick it up with them on there
Right.
still yet.
Yeah.
So, anyways, it's definitely wasn't bad.
Easy install.
Yeah, so if you want one of these for your truck, just make sure that it can clamp the lip of the bed right there.
Yeah.
Unlike our Tacomas, it wouldn't do that.
Yeah,
And-
so if you've got a spray-in bed liner, that would be ideal for this, right?
Yeah.
Instead of a drop-in.
Yeah, and some drop-ins may even fit. We don't know,
Right,
but
right.
it does not on our Tacomas. We know
Right.
that for sure.
Mhm.
So we're gonna.
Yeah, this too. Look, so we didn't show this. It does have slots in it. This
Yeah,
way,
I
so-
would imagine you could drill.
Yeah.
If you wanted to.
If you wanted to. If we wanted to put it on our Tacoma, we could probably drill the holes.
Yeah, I think you could. You'd have to remove a couple access panels, but if you did want to use it, you definitely can without the clamps too. So it's a good sturdy looking unit. Good quality. So
Let's put some stuff up there.
yeah,
We got anything?
let's put the kayak up there.
Yeah.
It's Logan in it.
Heck yeah.
Fits no problem.
It's no problem. Probably, if you don't have the kayak stands,
Oh yeah.
that'd be ideal.
Yeah. Strap them down.
And you can see we still got space up here because of the height we used.
Yeah.
So,
And you can haul 2 more in the bed.
yeah.
Of this truck.
Yeah, this truck, a longer truck. But yeah, good for ladders, equipment. You could probably put boards up there if you go to Lowe's, that you don't want to stick over. You could lay them across the top. That would be fine. OSB board, sheetrock if you wanted to, any of those things. And it's actually slick up on the top too. There's nothing that sticks up to grab it. And they've rolled the edges on the top portion, which is really nice. You can just slide stuff over without having to worry about it catching right here. So a lot of positives. War Son, thank you for the the awesome adjustable ladder rack, truck rack. Worked good.
All right, Justin, we're gonna do a little weight test here, right?
Yeah, he's Logan weighs about 110. Soaking wet. And I'm up here too. I'm not on this, but
You was.
I was standing on it. So 215 pounds plus Logan. So you're looking at about 315. Easy, plus the kayak, which it weighs 50 pounds maybe, something like that.
I doubt it.
No bowing whatsoever. Look, you can see in the middle, it's still very sturdy. Left and right, still sturdy. So no
I'm not strapped down.
If you can haul Logan, you can haul anything on this. I guarantee it.
All right, guys, that's gonna be it for this video.
Yeah.
Pretty good ladder rack, good product from Warsun.
Yeah.
Pretty happy with it.
Yeah, overall, super nice quality. Very simple to put together. A little overwhelming when you open it up. So don't be overwhelmed. It can only go in one place, right?
Yeah, it was very simple to figure out.
So y'all did well on that. As you can see, we still have our old kayak up here rated for 600 pounds.
660. 660 pounds was rated for.
Yep.
As of the filming of this video, you can pick one up on Amazon for $569. We'll be sure to put that link in the description below.
Yeah, so thank you, Warsun, for the product. Thank you for letting us try it out. You know, we may try out some more, who knows. And again, just hang in there with us. We got some more content coming. We got some things we got to finish up, and then once it cools down a little bit, we might be back in action.
That's right. So if you like our content, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. We'll catch you in the next one.
See ya.